Hi, my name is Serena Cashmere and welcome to my channel. So this is the first video of this new series that I'm doing where every week I try something new and I show you guys what I've tried. So it could be anything from learning a new instrument, a couple words in a new language, or it could just be like a philosophy, something that really helped me in my life, a lesson that I learned. I am terrible at art, like visual art. I can't draw, I can't paint. We just don't click. That I have this drawing book, well I have quite a few actually, that I just never touch because I'm not good at it. So this is a video about how to do fancy lettering if you're terrible at art like me. Now, I don't promote this book, I don't know this author. This is literally something that someone gave to me as like a birthday present or some holiday someone gave it to me. But I think it's important for you to realize that I referenced to this book and that's where I got my learning for the week. There's a better way to phrase that, but you get what I mean. Okay, so it's called Hand Lettering 101 and it's very cute. So I'm taking some basic scratch paper here and just a regular pen. And first we're going to start with some skinny letters just for fun. And we're going to go a little chunkier on the top and squish on the bottom. So top, bottom, squish on the bottom. Then for the F we're going to squish on the top. So long stem, short little arms, like so. Alright, now let's do another style. This one is going to have little tails on it. Again, it's kind of skinny. We're going to give it little feet. Same thing with the G. Skinny, little feet. So that's another style of writing. And then this next one is going to have some thickness with little squiggles on it. You're going to do a regular A, and then you're going to add some little side angles here, connect the two, and then you just fill in that side, like that. And then we can do W, just a regular W, and you just fill it in. So you can do that for all the different letters. I'll keep this video short, but you get the idea. So what does it look like when we combine some of these? So here we go. That's some of the lettering from this first one. So that's the first step of your cursive. We're then going to fill this in to make it a little more festive and exciting. So we can go ahead and add that I dotted there. And then we're going to fill in this part of the G, this inner part. So it's going to look like that. And then you just color it in. And then we're also going to color in this side of the G, the outside, like that. And then color it in. And then we'll do it to the eyes, like so. And then this part of the R. And then the outside part of the R. And then we'll go to the L. We'll do this inner part right here. There you go. So you can see that very quickly I was able to make something fancy. No one would know that I can't do art. So this would go great on a card, just to add that personal touch. It only takes a few seconds and you can do it with any letter. So I'll give you a few more letters just so you can see what they would look like. So first I'm going to do an H, just like a cursive H, and then we're going to fill in the inside of the loop all the way down, like that. Go ahead and fill it in, and then we're going to do the inside part of this arch right here. Very simple, and when you combine it with other letters like you can see above, it really comes together. Let's do an F. I love to do cursive Fs. So there's my F. We're going to do the inside part of the loop again, and then all the way down to the bottom. Mistakes. You really can't tell that well, especially from afar, so I wouldn't worry about it too much. Let's see, let's do a D. So there's your first step. Again with the inner circle, and then the inner part of the loop, all the way down, and you just fill it in. So I noticed that most of the time you're going to be filling in the inside. There's only a few times where it's on the outside, but just experiment with it and you'll figure out what you like best. There's no hard and fast rules here. This is just something to get you started and show you that you can do this even if you have no skills to begin with. Let me give you one more word that shows a little bit of extra flair that you can add to any of these letters. Okay, so you can put a heart up here and fill that in. Again, don't worry about perfection. Do your best. Live your best life. Let the rest go. And then we're gonna fill in our loop. Okay, now you're just gonna do some random outlines. So here's an outline for the S, for the T, for the A, for the E. And then we'll do some little action lines here, some action lines there. I'll do another little one right there. Let's do some here, there. So again, you can be as ridiculous as you want. You can be as dainty or as energetic. You can give this a lot of personality without much skill. And then you will have pages of beauty. So yeah, that's what I learned today, was this easy, simple, if you're not good at art, cool handwriting decorating technique. I hope you enjoyed it. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want notifications, hit that bell below to make sure that you never miss a video. And check back in for next week. I hope to see you there.